Imagine yourself in this 2011 Chevrolet Equinox LT. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are alloy wheels, backup camera, OnStar communication system, traction control system, steering wheel audio controls, air conditioning, passenger's front airbag, power driver seat, front wheel drive and multi-function steering wheel. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.